Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Port Aransas Beach, Texas, a wonderful spot where the Gulf of Mexico meets the charming shores of this friendly beach town. As we start our walking tour, you'll notice the wide, sandy beaches that are perfect for a relaxing stroll. Port Aransas, often called Port A by locals, is known for its laid-back atmosphere and beautiful coastline, making it a favorite destination for visitors seeking sun, sand, and sea. As we walk along the beach, you'll see the iconic Port Aransas Municipal Pier stretching out into the Gulf. The pier is a popular spot for fishing and offers stunning views of the ocean. Continuing our walk, we'll head towards the Port Aransas South Jetty. Jetties like this one are large rock structures built to protect the harbor and help maintain the channel for boats. The South Jetty is a great place to explore and enjoy the natural beauty of the area. It's also a fantastic spot for dolphin watching. These playful creatures are often seen swimming and playing in the waters around the jetty, delighting visitors with their acrobatics and grace. Port Aransas has a rich history as a fishing village and port, which is still reflected in its local culture and community. The town has grown over the years, but has managed to keep its small town charm. You'll find a variety of shops, restaurants, and cafes where you can enjoy fresh seafood and other local dishes. Whether you're here for a day or a longer visit, the combination of natural beauty and friendly atmosphere makes Port Aransas a special place to explore and relax. Thanks for watching!